Have you ever forgotten to turn off the fire after cooking? Or didn't take medicine after the meal? Or maybe you work too hard and forget to stretch your body. Now you can use the Garmin Watch alarm feature to help you remind the tasks. First, hold the menu key. Select Clock. Select Alarms. Select Add Alarm. Then enter the alarm time. If you want to edit an alarm, scroll down and select Edit. Select an alarm you'd like to modify. Here you can turn on or off the alarm and change the time. If you select Repeat, you can set up how you want your alarm to repeat regularly. Select Sounds to choose the type of alarm notification. You can turn the backlight on or off by selecting Backlight. In Label, you can select a description for the alarm. Finally, if you want to remove the alarm setting, you can select Delete. And that's it. Now you can set up the alarm on your watch as your personal reminder.